Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech and Web.
In this video, we're breaking down the best toaster ovens of 2025 to help you find the perfect one for your kitchen. Whether you need a compact model for quick snacks, a versatile air fryer combo, or a high-end convection oven for all your baking needs, we've got you covered. We'll compare features, performance, and value so you can make the best choice for your home. Stay tuned to see which toaster oven is the right fit for you. Number 1. TOSHIBA AC25CEW-SS. The TOSHIBA AC25CEW-SS is a powerful and versatile toaster oven designed to make cooking easier and more efficient. With 1500 watts convection heating, it ensures faster, more even cooking for perfect toasting, baking, broiling, and roasting. Its spacious 25-liter capacity can fit a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of bread, or even a whole chicken, making it ideal for families. Featuring 10 cooking functions, an intuitive digital control panel, and a bright LCD display, it offers precision and convenience at your fingertips. The sleek stainless steel design adds a modern touch to any kitchen, while the non-stick interior allows for effortless cleanup. With built-in safety features like overheat protection and a cool touch handle, the Toshiba AC25CEW-SS is a reliable, stylish, and high-performance choice for any home. Number 2. Cuisinart TOB-135N. The Cuisinart TOB-135N is a sleek, high-performance toaster oven designed to handle all your cooking needs with ease. Featuring 1800 watts of power and advanced convection technology, it ensures fast, even heating for perfect results every time. With
Set the
9 versatile
timer
cooking functions,
on
including toast,
12
bake,
minutes.
broil, convection, and even
And
a reheat option, this oven adapts to your lifestyle. Its spacious interior comfortably fits a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of bread, or a whole roast, making it great for families or meal prepping. The easy-to-use digital controls, precise temperature settings, and blue backlit LCD display provide effortless operation, while the non-stick interior makes cleanup a breeze. With its stylish brushed stainless steel design, the Cuisinart TOB-135N is a reliable, powerful, and elegant addition to any kitchen. Number 3. Breville Smart Oven Pro. The Breville Smart Oven Pro is a premium toaster oven designed for precision, power, and versatility. Featuring 1800 watts of power and Element IQ technology, it intelligently adjusts heat distribution for faster, more even cooking. With 10 preset cooking functions, including bake, roast, broil, toast, slow cook, and reheat, this oven delivers professional-grade performance in a compact countertop design. The spacious interior fits a 13-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or even a whole chicken, making it perfect for both everyday meals and special occasions. The built-in convection fan speeds up cooking time, while the integrated interior light and LCD display make monitoring your food effortless. With a sleek brushed stainless steel finish, a non-stick interior for easy cleanup, and an auto shut-off safety feature, the Breville Smart Oven Pro is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with power and precision. Number 4. Val Cucina TA25-GB3. The Val Cucina TA25-GB3 is a powerful and stylish toaster oven designed to handle all your cooking needs with ease. With its 1700-watt convection heating, it ensures fast, even cooking, making everything from crispy toast to perfectly roasted meats effortless. The large 26.5-quart capacity can accommodate a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or even a whole chicken, making it ideal for families and meal prepping. Featuring 10 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, broil, and dehydrate, This oven offers incredible versatility. The user-friendly digital controls, LED display, and interior light make operation simple, while the stainless steel design adds a modern touch to any kitchen. With a non-stick interior for easy cleanup and built-in safety features like auto shutoff and cool touch handle, the Val Cucina TA25-GB3 is a smart and stylish addition to any home. Number 5. Our Place Wonder Oven. The Our Place Wonder Oven is a beautifully designed, multifunctional toaster oven that brings style, simplicity, and versatility to your kitchen. With 6 cooking modes, bake, broil, toast, roast, reheat, and air fry, it delivers efficient, even heating for all your favorite meals. Its compact yet spacious design can accommodate a 12-inch pizza, multiple slices of toast, or a variety of dishes, making it perfect for small kitchens or busy households. The intuitive digital controls, easy-to-read display, and sleek minimalist aesthetic make it both functional and visually stunning. Plus, with a non-toxic, PFAS-free non-stick interior.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.